up guys, back again with another video, and in today's video I came across two pretty unique themes, so you guys want to hang on to this one. Let's get right into it. The first theme I did come across is a one-page theme, and it is called Skew Home. It is a pretty elegant theme, it is pretty unique. So up top you do have a search bar, in the middle you do have a clock, and at the bottom you do have your most used applications. Again, you can change these out accordingly. If you do tap the profile, you do get your applications or your social applications here. You X that out. It does take you back to the home screen. At the bottom you do have your applications, and right here you do have a different tabs. Your first tab being your favorite app, so if you do click that, you have your Play Store, Maps, Gallery, and Camera. If we go ahead and exit that out, you do have your calendar and agenda, which gives you the next two events on your calendar, as well as a nice calendar widget. If we exit that out, you do have your music player, and right under that you do have your weather forecast for the next 4 days. So that's pretty much going to do it for this theme. Like I said, this theme is pretty unique. I did come across it recently and I do like it. I have been using it for a while, so if you guys do enjoy it, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. The next theme I did come across is a 3-page theme, and this theme is called Big Cards Home. It is a pretty unique theme as opposed to the last theme I just showed you. It is a 3-page theme and it has a lot going for it. It is a pretty vibrant theme as well, with each color being a different page. You're also able to customize it to some extent. As you can see, you can add a nav bar and a dark mode. Like I said, this theme is a 3-page theme and it has a lot of information on each page as you scroll to the side. I do prefer 3-page themes just because it does have a lot of more information as opposed to a 1-page theme, and it does have a lot of UI elements that work together pretty well. So with this being a 3-page theme, 3-page themes usually have a lot more animation, have a lot more color, and just kind of stand out more as opposed to a 1-page theme. So this theme, like I mentioned before, was called Big Cards Home. You guys can find it in the Google Play Store. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. If you guys did like the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you guys want to see more, go ahead and sub, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.